Every drop of avocado oil begins with perfectly ripened avocado fruit under careful human inspection.
Only selected avocado fruit with optimal oil-rich maturity moves forward.
Maintaining avocado fruit integrity ensures high-quality avocado oil yield.
Precise harvesting logistics protect the avocado fruit before processing begins.
Accurate weight tracking monitors avocado fruit supply flow.
Internal avocado fruit quality determines final avocado oil richness.
Modern harvesting tools accelerate avocado fruit collection without damaging the pulp.
Controlled handling keeps avocado fruit surface contamination minimal.
Removing foreign materials ensures clean avocado fruit processing.
Temperature control preserves avocado fruit oil stability.
Moisture balance protects avocado fruit cellulose structure.
Thermal monitoring prevents early avocado fruit spoilage.
Traceability guarantees consistent avocado oil manufacturing standards.
Machyron for Wollington, stable pallet formation prepares avocado fruit for safe transport.
Careful movement prevents bruising that could reduce avocado oil yield.
Temperature-controlled transport preserves avocado fruit freshness.
Harvested avocado fruit begins its journey toward oil transformation.
From orchard to factory, avocado fruit carries the promise of pure avocado oil.
Specialized transport protects avocado fruit while maintaining freshness during delivery.
Every avocado fruit shipment enters controlled processing environments.
Strict verification maintains avocado oil production traceability.
Logistics coordination ensures continuous avocado oil manufacturing. Precision docking prevents vibration damage to avocado fruit cargo. Sealed unloading protects avocado fruit from external contamination. Controlled unloading maintains avocado fruit temperature stability. Mechanical handling prevents bruising that reduces avocado oil quality.
Automation accelerates avocado fruit intake while maintaining traceability.
Precision robotics ensure gentle avocado fruit handling.
Continuous conveyors maintain steady avocado fruit processing flow.
Recycling crate logistics support sustainable avocado oil production.
Pre-rinse washing removes surface impurities from avocado fruit.
Random sampling verifies avocado fruit meets oil production standards.
Accurate intake monitoring optimizes avocado oil extraction planning.
Metal detection protects processing equipment and avocado oil purity.
Computer vision enhances avocado fruit grading accuracy.
Smart sorting directs avocado fruit toward precise oil extraction pathways. Large-scale industrial systems transform fresh avocado fruit into premium avocado oil.
Controlled entry points maintain avocado oil production hygiene. Continuous conveyor flow stabilizes avocado fruit processing speed.
Enclosed transfer systems protect avocado fruit from external contaminants. Integrated facility layout supports seamless avocado oil manufacturing. Centralized automation synchronizes avocado fruit processing stages.
Even fruit distribution maximizes avocado oil extraction efficiency.
Safety oversight protects workers during avocado oil production.
Industrial washing removes field contamination from avocado fruit.
Controlled feeding protects avocado fruit pulp integrity.
Rotational washing ensures thorough avocado fruit surface cleaning.
Effective drainage prevents moisture interference during avocado oil extraction.
The transcription is, air drying prepares avocado fruit for precision sorting.
Manual inspection reinforces avocado oil quality control.
Even rejected avocado fruit contributes to sustainable resource recovery.
Uniform fruit size enhances consistent avocado oil extraction results.
Controlled storage stabilizes avocado fruit supply to processing equipment.
Prepared avocado fruit now enters mechanical transformation toward oil extraction. The transformation begins as avocado fruit prepares for mechanical breakdown. Controlled crushing releases oil-rich avocado pulp. Removing seeds improves extraction efficiency and protects machinery. Fine milling unlocks microscopic oil droplets inside avocado pulp. Pressurized transfer maintains avocado paste consistency during processing. Precise temperature control prepares avocado paste for oil release. Uniform mixing maximizes avocado oil extraction potential. Malaxation encourages natural avocado oil coalescence. Time and gentle motion allow avocado oil droplets to unite.
Centrifugal separation isolates avocado oil from pulp and moisture.
Density differences allow avocado oil to separate naturally.
Freshly separated avocado oil moves toward purification.
Residual pulp becomes valuable agricultural byproduct.
Water recovery reduces environmental impact of avocado oil production.
Temporary storage stabilizes crude avocado oil composition.
Final clarification improves avocado oil purity and clarity.
Purified avocado oil now approaches final refinement stages. Precision filtration refines avocado oil for advanced processing.
Filtered avocado oil advances toward purification and flavor stabilization.
Controlled heating prepares avocado oil for delicate refinement. Deodorization refines avocado oil aroma without damaging natural nutrients.
Steam stripping removes volatile compounds from avocado oil. Rapid cooling preserves avocado oil freshness and color.
Neutralization balances acidity levels for premium avocado oil quality.
Separation removes residual impurities from avocado oil.
Final centrifugal polishing enhances avocado oil clarity.
Winterization stabilizes avocado oil against cold storage clouding.
Monitoring crystallization ensures avocado oil stability across climates.
Cold filtration guarantees visual purity and shelf stability.
Bleaching removes pigments while preserving avocado oil nutrients.
Mechanical pressing removes adsorbent materials from avocado oil. Optical analysis confirms avocado oil visual quality.
Controlled storage preserves avocado oil freshness and flavor.
Routine sampling ensures avocado oil meets strict quality standards.
Scientific testing guarantees avocado oil meets international quality benchmarks.
Fully refined avocado oil now advances toward final preparation for consumers.
Equalization ensures every drop of avocado oil maintains identical quality.
Ultra-fine filtration guarantees flawless avocado oil purity.
Removing oxygen protects avocado oil from premature spoilage. Nitrogen shielding preserves avocado oil freshness during transfer. Buffer tanks stabilize supply for uninterrupted avocado oil bottling.
After separation, the oil moves toward filtration to remove remaining organic particles.
Initial filtration removes visible pulp and plant solids.
Advanced filtration captures microscopic impurities without damaging nutrients. Polishing filters deliver the final level of clarity and refinement. Technicians visually confirm transparency and color consistency.
The refined avocado oil is now ready for bottling and distribution.
The refined oil is transferred into the automated bottling system.
Each bottle undergoes sterilization to meet hygiene standards. Internal rinsing removes microscopic residues before filling. Precision robotics position bottles for accurate filling.
Drying prevents moisture contamination and preserves oil stability.
Automated filling systems ensure consistent volume and efficiency.
Drip control technology ensures clean packaging and accurate measurements.
Controlled filling delivers exact avocado oil volume into each bottle. Inspection ensures uniform avocado oil packaging quality.
Sterile closures protect avocado oil integrity. Secure sealing prevents oxidation and leakage of avocado oil.
Seal verification protects avocado oil freshness during distribution.
Surface cleaning enhances consumer presentation of avocado oil.
Automated capping ensures airtight sealing and leak prevention for avocado oil. Tamper-evident seals protect consumer safety and avocado oil authenticity. Heat sealing secures tamper bands firmly around avocado oil bottle caps.
Final exterior cleaning enhances avocado oil product presentation.
Advanced vision systems verify avocado oil packaging quality at high speed. Any avocado oil bottle failing inspection is automatically removed.
Approved avocado oil bottles are organized for packaging and shipment.
The packaged avocado oil bottles are now ready for final labeling and distribution.
Representative avocado oil samples are extracted to maintain quality standards.
Strict lab protocols protect the integrity of avocado oil testing. Acidity testing ensures avocado oil meets premium nutritional standards. Peroxide testing confirms avocado oil freshness and antioxidant protection. Moisture analysis guarantees avocado oil stability and shelf life.
Fatty acid profiling validates the nutritional quality of avocado oil.
Sensory evaluation ensures authentic avocado oil aroma and color. Stability tests predict avocado oil shelf life under varying conditions.
Microbial testing guarantees food safety for every bottle of avocado oil.
Certified batch labels guarantee avocado oil traceability and authenticity. Final visual inspection ensures flawless avocado oil packaging integrity.
Cap torque verification prevents leaks and preserves avocado oil quality.
Every avocado oil batch is thoroughly reviewed before reaching the market.
Controlled temperature protects oil quality and prevents oxidation.
Every batch receives traceable identification for quality assurance.
Nitrogen sealing prevents oxidation and preserves freshness.
Finished avocado oil is securely stored in climate-controlled warehouses.
Pallets of avocado oil are carefully loaded for distribution.
Modern logistics ensure avocado oil reaches global markets safely.